So it's update time for my laser skin bleaching. I just did my second treatment about 10 days ago, and so I'm already healed up. It's already looking lighter. I just want to say, after the first like 7 days after you're treated with the 3 lasers, you do have to use like a topical. These are little medicated wipes. They have some that are hydroquinone. This one is just kojic acid, arbutin, and green tea and absorbic acid. But yeah, you will have to use medicated wipes. And basically these just act as a melanin blocker, so you don't darken back up. So yeah, after you get the treatment, it's not like you can just go in for 3 laser sessions all spaced out 4 weeks apart and not put on any topical. They'll give you the topical that you need to use, and that's what you're going to use after day 7 after the treatment, and then you'll use it all the way up until your next treatment. And yeah, you just do this for 3 months. So unless you only need like 2 treatments, then you'd only do this for 2 months. So I wanted to throw that out there. You also have to pay for this. It was an additional $99. The treatment itself, I feel like the treatment itself was $250. I paid more because this time I got laser hair removal. I didn't finish all of my laser hair removal treatments I think 1 or 2 years ago, and basically I had like 12 laser hair removal treatments a few years ago, and she told me basically I would have needed less if they used a different laser. So the type of laser that they used at my other med spa, I guess basically just wasn't strong enough, or I don't know, just wasn't the best that could have been used. So even though it definitely reduced my hair down there like by 85%, which was great, I still would get hair. Like, you still get prickly hairs, but I will say the hairs that did grow in are maybe only half as thick as the hair that was down there before I got the laser treatments. So yeah, laser hair removal is, someone camera died, but laser hair removal is definitely a great thing. It's amazing because even after all those treatments, my hair was still so much more easy to work with. So it's like, either way, like if you feel like you have really coarse, thick, scratchy hair down there, then yeah, this is way better than shaving, way better than I think even waxing, because waxing is really painful. But I will say that laser hair removal is more painful than the skin bleaching, but it's painful in a different way. So the laser skin bleaching, it's uncomfortable while it's happening, but it isn't anything crazy. You feel all of the pain afterwards. So about 20 minutes after the session, and then for the rest of the day, you're gonna be walking really funny. I mean, it's gonna be painful. Like, even wiping after going to the bathroom is gonna be painful. When it comes to laser hair removal, it's different. It's like a rubber band getting popped, and while you will squirm and you will feel pain while it's happening, the pain goes away in like 2 seconds. Like, it happens and then it's done. It happens, then it's done. The only thing that you see afterwards is like your skin will be kind of raised, almost like a mosquito bite, but that goes away within like 2 hours. So yeah. She does recommend that if you're going to get laser skin bleaching, that you definitely should get laser hair removal as well. Basically, having to shave can darken you back up. When I went there, I had to get the treatment right before I was going to get lasered. So you can't get the laser treatment and then come back in a week and then get hair removal. You have to get the hair removal first, and then at that same time you can get the laser, or you can just get the laser a week or so after, either or. But yeah, we did it all in one day, and yeah, hopefully with the laser hair removal I'll only need one more session of the hair removal, because I had already had so many other sessions that my hair is already pretty sparse down there. This will just completely finish it, so I won't have to shave at all, which would be amazing. So that's pretty bomb. I feel like in my other video I already told you guys like what the pain's like, what it feels like. Either way, I will let you guys know what my final results are after everything is said and done. So far, even after the second, I can definitely tell a difference in the area lightening, but I will certainly need that third one to basically finish everything up. And even after you get it lasered, I will say the skin's gonna get darker. Like 24 hours later, it's gonna get darker, it's gonna get very tight, and then you're gonna have this peeling. The peeling lasts a good 7 days. Just like, it literally is just like a sunburn. It's gonna peel, it's gonna look darker, and then all that skin's gonna come off, and then you'll have the new skin underneath, and then that's when you start treating that new skin with the melanin blocking ingredients. And then the more you use this, the lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter it gets. So you're not going to see your final results even a week or 2 weeks after like the second treatment. I mean, I would still wait until all the way up until your third treatment. Right before then, see, because this is like slowly but surely lightening it up even more. And then after the third one, same thing. If you want to see what your real results will be even after your third treatment, you still have to wait a few weeks after that treatment and finish out using the pads, and then you'll see like the final result. Cool thing about the pads, you don't have to do these forever. It's just, yeah, it's just during the treatments. So once your third treatment's done, you'll finish out your remaining container, and then you're home free. You're home free. So I can't wait. I'll update you guys on that as well.